name's Derek. I just bought my first MacBook. I've owned PCs my whole life and only ever used Windows. So today I'm going to do a little unboxing and then might do a follow-up video giving my impressions on using MacBooks. Just for reference, I built my own custom PC and use that for gaming primarily, but I've always wanted to check out the Mac OS and see what it's all about, so I'm going to dig in, check it out, and see what we got here. So I opted for MacBook Pro 13-inch, the 2019 model. It's 256 gig hard drive, 8 gigs of RAM. It's the 1.4 gigahertz processor. But yeah, I got it at Best Buy. They had a $100 off discount, so it was about $1,400, and then tax was like 140 bucks, which is pretty crazy. But all in all, pretty excited. So let's get on with this. As you can see here, I have the box. Yep. Can't get this thing. Alright, there. Ooh. That's nice. A little scuff on the top there. That's a little weird. Okay. There we have it. What the heck? Oh, you know what? God, I'm such a goof. So I thought there was like a piece of like some stuff on here on the actual laptop, like a little mark, but I think it was just on the plastic, so we're good. Kind of freaked me out for a second. Ooh, this thing's nice. Damn, alright. Yeah, it feels solid. Damn, this thing is nice. Holy smokes. Look at that. Looks clean. There's no scuffs or anything, so that's good. Looks new. Ooh. So yeah, it has a plastic film there. Or no, it's like not plastic, I don't know, paper. So I have it here, it booted right up. It looks like it's asking me to enter the language and whatnot. And then we also have some other stuff in here, as you can see. You got, I don't know what the hell this is. Looks like a USB-C cord. I wonder if that's the charging cord. And there's the charger. Very simple packaging, very minimalist. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Surprised they don't throw in some headphones, you know? Should. Let's see. MacBook Pro. Alright. That's pretty much all there is to it. I mean, got this nice little charger here. yeah, overall the unpackaging experience, not bad. I mean, it's very sleek. I'm impressed so far. So, yeah, so I'm gonna go through the loops on this, play with it around for a week, and then probably make another video and see how I'm feeling about it. And yeah, I'll let you guys know as a newbie Mac OS user. I've never ever used the Mac OS in my entire life. I have an iPhone, I have an Apple Watch, so I am familiar with iOS, but not this, not on the computer side of things. So, alright.